Federal judge has upheld a ruling not allowing access to the evidence in the civil case related to the Tops mass shooting.
News 4's Marley Tuskus was inside the courtroom. She has reaction from the victims' loved ones.
Attorneys representing the families of Tops mass shooting victims in their civil case will no longer be able to access evidence from the federal case against the shooter, Peyton Gendron. Prosecutors argued against this, saying it would be unprecedented to use the grand jury process to access evidence. Previously, Gendron's defense team allowed the attorneys to review data like his social media history.
They want us to, sympathize with the terrorists. So they're going to do anything that they can, I guess, to get on our good side. But, for me, it's not going to work.
Judge Lawrence Villardo heard oral arguments today for and against sharing the evidence attorneys need for their civil case. Previously, Magistrate Judge Kenneth Schrader sided with the prosecutors. Villardo upheld that decision, saying in order to reverse it, he would have to find that Schrader made an error.
He wasn't turning something over based on a brand new evaluation, that he was making his decision within narrow lines as to whether or not the previous judge completely erred. So I think that was an important distinction.
The attorneys in the civil case tell us today's decision makes their process a much more strenuous one, but tell us they are up for the challenge.
We will have a much longer, a much more strenuous battle ahead to obtain the final important details of what really happened, what really led up to this event, but we will do it.
As for the federal case, last month, both sides met with the U.S. Attorney General's office, where the defense presented evidence to persuade against the death penalty, though there will likely not be a decision on that for at least another month.
I know they're doing what they have to do, but it just seems forever. So we keep going backwards, You got to think about all this over and over. It's hard, but we have to stand strong for it, because if Kat was living, she'd be right here.
Reporting, Marley Tuskus, News 4.